Everybody's chasing 5 stars, but if your reviews don't feel real, they might actually be working against you. Today, we're going to talk about what I call the review rebellion, why platforms like Google, Yelp, and Amazon are cracking down on fake reviews. There's a ton of them. Why small businesses need to wake up as well, and how you can protect your credibility before you lose it. So here's the truth. Fake reviews are still everywhere. A recent study found that up to 30% of all online reviews may be fake. And on Google specifically, around 11% are considered fraudulent. That's from local SEO Tools and Tips.com. Platforms are finally fighting back. In 2024, Yelp upgraded their automated recommendation software. It now evaluates hundreds of signals to decide if a review is reliable. In that same year, Yelp removed 23,300 reviews and closed more than 500,000 user accounts for violations. That's from trust.yelp.com. And the regulations aren't far behind. Last year in August, the Federal Trade Commission finalized a rule banning the sale or purchase of fake reviews. Penalties, by the way, according to FTC.gov, penalties for that sort of violation can be $51,000 per violation, okay? So the system is changing. Your 5-star average alone doesn't mean trust anymore. Authenticity does. And by the way, you don't need 5 stars. Most people expect anywhere from 4.2 to 4.8. I've been told that's the sweet spot. That's what the research tells me. And here's why it matters. First, trust is so fragile. Wouldn't you agree? 82% of consumers say they encounter fake reviews every year. And that means the minute your reviews feel staged, even if they're technically true, people start to doubt you. Second, the platforms are watching. Google's AI flagged and removed over 170 million fake or policy violating reviews in 23, a couple years ago, a 45% increase year over year. That's from birdeye.com. Yelp even posts public compensated activity alerts on business pages that try to game the system. And third, fake negatives are a real threat. Maybe you've dealt with that in the past. Maybe somebody who you don't work with anymore, or somebody who doesn't work for you anymore, and they go on and give you a 1-star. Sometimes no words, just a 1-star, or maybe they'll sign on from multiple accounts and do that. Typically, Google's great to work with. Hopefully, you don't have to deal with that at all. But businesses are being attacked by review bombing. Okay, waves of fake 1-star reviews designated to damage your reputation. That's from consumeraffairs.com. So what can you do to protect your business? Well, number one, collect authentic feedback continuously. I know we all get away from asking for reviews, but it's something that we should bake into every day if we can, for sure every week. Don't wait until you need 5 stars. After every job or customer, ask your customer, would you mind sharing what stood out most? Simple, personal, real. Number 2, respond publicly and sincerely. Thank the happy reviewers, and for critical ones, reply, fix it, show you care. That's credibility in real time, of course. I always like to include things about the service for my clients. Like if it's a roofer and somebody writes a review, hey, we loved the crew, we loved everybody who did the job, would recommend this company over and over. I like to say stuff in the response like, thank you for the great review on your brand new roof. Your new roof is guaranteed and we're all here for you. We appreciate it very much. Name, make it personal, but make it real. And that is real. That particular company that I'm thinking of does offer a guarantee. And, that stuff can be mentioned in the review with some of your keywords. The review response. Avoid shortcuts. Anything offering incentives or outsourcing reviews, that's risky. Buying fake reviews, don't do it. It's illegal, first of all. And the new FTC rule banning fake or manipulated testimonials is in full effect. Okay. Number 4, highlight real stories, not averages. Include photos, quotes, and names when you can. People trust faces more than stars. Number 5, monitor your reviews. If you see unusual patterns, multiple reviews from brand new accounts, same IPs or location clusters, just flag them. Platforms will investigate if you report it. They're usually great at that. Bottom line, the 5-star era is over, man. It's all about authenticity. Okay, it really is. It really is. And the sooner you do that and look right into the camera and talk to your customers, like maybe standing in a neighborhood that you serve, and even say, hey, I'm in the Delphi Acres neighborhood right now. We just got done doing a roof, that sort of thing, and answer a customer question. That stuff's going to get traction. It already is for a lot of people. That can also be used like in an AI summary. You're going to see that more and more instead of a list of websites with people fighting for rank. When your reviews feel real, your business feels real. Wouldn't you agree with that? In a world full of filters, fakes, bots, AI, that's a new competitive advantage, feeling real. If this helped you protect your reputation and stay ahead of the curve just a little bit, or made you think about something just a little bit differently, please give me a like. I'm Max from Max Out Creative. Thank you very much.